So how to install First Meet Bank and Trust Mobile. So yeah, here's the app. You can just tap get and then double click to install, and then you'll be able to install it. Enjoy banking on the go with First Meet Bank and Trust Mobile app. Check balances, view transaction history, transfer money, pay bills. To enroll in mobile banking, you must be a First Meet Bank and Trust customer and an online banking registered users. Bill pay functionality requires a first meet bill pay account message and date rates my apply, and then yeah, you can just open it up, and yeah, here you can just enter your user ID, enter a password, and then yeah, you can just log in from here. And then there is Face ID, which you can set up. You can see instant balance, and then you can just see all the instructions. So yeah, that's the app, how you can get started using it. So there it is.